Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plan your week on ClickUp using a simple, daily, and weekly planner. Whether you're managing multiple projects, getting your personal life organized, or you simply want a clear structure to stay productive, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. Once the home page loads, click on the login button at the top right. If you prefer using your Google account, you'll see an option called Sign in with Google. Go ahead and click it. Select the Google account you use for ClickUp and you'll be logged in instantly, which makes the process super convenient. Next, once you're inside your ClickUp dashboard, you'll see all your lists and spaces organized based on your projects. These lists are flexible and can be customized however you prefer. To get started with creating your planner, locate any list in your workspace and click the three-dot menu next to its name. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. From the menu, click on Templates. A window will appear where ClickUp shows template options for task management, planning, and more. Now click Browse Templates to explore ClickUp's full library. This is where you'll find ready-made weekly planning templates that can save you tons of time, so you won't have to build everything from scratch. In the search bar at the top, type Weekly. This filters the template library and shows planners designed specifically for weekly scheduling. Look through the available options and choose the template that matches your planning style. Something clean, simple, and easy to follow works best. Once you find one you like, click Quick Use. This allows you to add the template directly into your workspace without any additional setup. After clicking Quick Use, ClickUp will automatically create a new list or folder based on that template. Now navigate to that newly added weekly planner in your sidebar. This is where the fun begins. You can start customizing the planner to match your daily and weekly routines. Add tasks for each day, adjust timeframes, set priorities, and fill in any important notes that will help you stay organized. Feel free to tailor it however you like. ClickUp gives you full control. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure each task has a clear due date, group related tasks together, and use colors or tags to highlight priority levels. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion later in the week. Once everything is set, your weekly planner will help you keep track of deadlines, manage daily activities, and stay on top of your goals without interruptions. It's also a good idea to review your planner at the end of each day to keep everything updated. This simple routine keeps your workflow clean and productive. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to plan your entire week on ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?